What did you do?
I turned up the volume.
That's not what I meant by do something.
Will you do something? Leave me alone.
Did you write a letter to Grandma?
Yes, I did.
Did you tell her about school?
I told her that school is fun.
Did you put the letter in an envelope?
Yes, and I sealed the envelope.
Did you put a stamp on the envelope?
I couldn't find any stamps.
They're in the kitchen drawer.
Okay. I just put a stamp on the envelope.
Give me the envelope, and I'll mail it for you.
When is Grandma going to learn about email?
Why are you yawning?
I'm sleepy.
Why don't you go to bed?
I want to watch this TV show.
Maybe you should record it.
The tape recorder is broken.
Then you should watch the rerun.
Why? I'm watching the original.
But you'll be asleep in about 1 minute.
I'm just yawning because the commercials are on.
Okay. I'll tell you how the show ends.
Zed said.
It's Sunday.
So?
You know what that means.
I forgot.
Sunday means we go to church.
Oh, yeah.
Put on a coat and tie.
Why?
To show respect to God and others.
I'm glad Sunday is only once a week.
I hope God didn't hear that.
He'll forgive me.
Did you feed the cat?
I'll do that in a minute.
The cat is meowing. He's hungry.
Okay. I'll feed him right now.
You shouldn't make him wait.
I was doing my homework.
The cat doesn't care about your homework.
The cat doesn't care about anything.
That's the way cats are.
All they think about is themselves.
Maybe we should get rid of him.
Of course not. He's family.
I hate shaving.
Me too.
I just cut myself again.
Did you use a new blade?
It doesn't matter. Old blades cut, new blades cut.
Maybe you should use an electric shaver.
They make a lot of noise, but they don't give a close shave.
Maybe you should stop shaving.
And grow a beard?
Sure. Why not?
Because food and other stuff sticks in my beard.
Here's an idea. Put cream on your face and have the cat lick it off.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Are you reading this paper?
Oh, number. Help yourself.
I asked because the paper is sitting next to you.
Thank you. That's polite of you to ask.
Some people would just pick it up.
Yes, I know. Some people are rude.
I always try to be polite.
So do I.
The world needs more polite people like us.
I agree 100%.
Mom, I want a puppy.
Let me think about it.
Why do you have to think about it?
Because a puppy costs money.
No, it doesn't. Puppies are free.
Yes, but a puppy needs shots.
Shots for what?
So it won't get sick. Just like you get shots.
I hate shots.
And a puppy eats food. Food costs money.
No problem. I'll give him food off my plate.
Oh, no you don't. Puppies don't eat vegetables.
Look at all these kittens.
How many are there?
8.
They're all so cute.
Yes, but I can't keep them.
What are you going to do with them?
I'm going to give them away. Do you want one?
Yes, I would love one.
Which one do you want?
That one. The one that's all black.
Yes, I like that one, too.
I'll call him Blacky.
My parents go to church every Sunday.
They trust in God.
They hope they will go to heaven.
They probably will.
But no one knows for sure.
That's for sure.
No one knows what happens after we die.
If we are good, we will be happy in heaven with God.
That's what many people believe.
If we are bad, we will be unhappy forever in hell.
I don't want to go to hell.
Let's go to church with your parents on Sunday.
My husband died.
I'm sorry for you.
Thank you.
When did he die?
A couple of months ago.
You still miss him.
Yes, but I talk to him almost every day.
When you go to church.
No, when I call him on his cell phone.
What do you mean?
I buried him with his cell phone.
What will you do when the battery dies?
Today is Friday the 13th.
That's a bad day.
It's supposed to be unlucky.
You're supposed to stay home all day.
That's what I do.
My friend stayed in a hotel on Friday the 13th.
That was a mistake.
He stayed on the 13th floor.
What happened?
Someone stole his laptop.
He was asking for it.
He learned his lesson. He's home today.
Do you really love me?
Of course.
Prove it.
How can I prove it?
Take me to dinner.
That's it? That's all I have to do.
Take me to a nice restaurant, not to McDonald's.
But a nice restaurant costs money.
Yes, and you have to make a reservation.
That's such a hassle.
I knew you didn't love me.
Okay. I'll make a reservation right now.
My parents are divorced.
So are mine.
Why did your parents get divorced?
My father found a new girlfriend.
That's too bad.
My mother was hurt and angry.
She had good reason. What did she do?
She told him to drop his girlfriend.
What did your father do?
He moved out of our house.
I guess he really liked his new girlfriend.
Yes, but she left him a year later.
My grandma's apartment smells funny.
So does mine.
I think it's an old people's smell.
Really?
Yes. I think when you get old, you begin to smell.
Like fruit that is too ripe?
Yes, just like fruit that is too ripe.
But the smell is different.
Yes, old people don't smell like fruit.
No, they smell like a thrift shop.
Yes, or thrift shop has that same smell.
Yes, an old smell.
The price of stamps goes up and up.
I think stamps used to cost a penny.
That was a long time ago.
It was before I was born.
Now a stamp is 42 cents.
but in May it will be 44 cents.
Have you ever lost a letter in the mail?
No, I haven't.
Neither have I.
So, they do a good job for the money.
Yes, they do.
Maybe we shouldn't complain.
A button came off my shirt.
What are you going to do?
First, I have to find the button.
Where did you lose it?
I have no idea.
A button is hard to find. Did you look in your pant cuffs?
That's a good idea.
I found a button in my pant cuffs one time.
Let me look. No, it's not there.
Many shirts come with an extra button.
You're right. This one does have an extra button.
Now all you have to do is sew it on.
I have to go to the bathroom.
You drink too much coffee.
But I love coffee.
Well, it's your life.